Hey guys, today we're going to be making dairy-free banana chocolate chip muffins. If you're new to my channel, my name's Marissa. I am a wife and mother of 3. I make content about cooking, cleaning, budgeting, organization. If this is something that you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification. Alright, to start with, we're going to want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. The ingredients that you'll need for this recipe include 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using avocado oil for this recipe, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/4 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips, 2 very ripe bananas, and 2 eggs. So we'll start by opening our bananas and smashing them with a fork in our bowl. Once we get this banana mashed, we will crack and incorporate our 2 eggs. I like this recipe because it doesn't have as much sugar as typical muffins. And it's also dairy-free, which is a dietary restriction of one of the members of our household. We want to make sure that the egg is really well incorporated into the smashed banana. I feel like that looks pretty good. Next, we will add our 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. You could also use cinnamon if you don't have pumpkin pie spice available. Mix that in. And then we'll add our brown sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. And our oil. So again, that's 1/3 cup of, I'm using avocado oil. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt, now I'm going to mix in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and our baking powder and baking soda. Again, that's 1/4 teaspoons each. Make sure this is really well mixed together before we add in our chocolate chips. Like, and then 1/4 cup of, you can use regular chocolate chips, but because we're making this dairy free, we use dairy free chocolate chips. Make sure that those are mixed in. Okay, so then I like to use a silicone mini muffin pan to bake my muffins in. And I spray it first with this avocado oil that I get from Costco. Make sure that that's well greased. And then I use this mini ice cream scoop to make sure that our muffin sizes are uniform. Scoop that into our pan. Once we get these all filled, we're going to bake our muffins at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we've made 24 mini banana chocolate chip muffins here. I'm gonna go ahead and stick them in the oven. Again, they bake at 350 for 15 minutes. All right, so our muffins are done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out of the oven. You can see this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. We're gonna...
Mommy,
All right, once we've removed our muffins from the oven, we want to make sure that they cool completely before we remove them from the muffin pan. And here's what they look like when they're finished. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!